Hey, good morning, everybody. John McKee. Just wanted to do another business development journal this morning. Today's topic is going to be about networking at a major event, like a speaking event, not more or less like a trade show. They similarly could match, but I'm talking about when you go to an event and it's a speaking type of event. So I have 7 different tips I would like to point out today. Number 1, have business cards. Have plenty of business cards. You're going to be talking to a lot of people. You're going to be handing out cards. You're going to be shaking hands, and you're going to want to hand out as many business cards as possible. Number 2, don't just stay in your familiar settings. People tend to flock to the people they know. There's nothing wrong with that. You still want to do that. Say hello, catch up, but go out to other groups. Try to stand out and get out of your own shell by approaching other groups and introducing yourself, and get out of your comfort zone. Number 3, shake hands. Be prepared with the handshaking all day and your introduction. Make sure you have your elevator pitch ready that separates yourself from everybody else in the group, that does what you do, what's unique about you. Listen, do a lot of listening, offer value, and even more importantly, if you're in a group where you can make introductions, do an introduction to somebody, introduce somebody as well, so help others out. Number 4, connect on LinkedIn. I was at an event yesterday, and we immediately were getting our phones out and connecting on LinkedIn. So make sure you connect on LinkedIn. It's pretty standard nowadays. Tweet. Do a lot of Twitter. Tweet the venue. Take pictures if there's speakers. Most speakers are hoping there's people in the audience that are going to take photos and tweet them out. So make sure you tweet the venue. Capture their quotes, some of the sayings, some of the things they're putting out, some of the bullet points. Create short videos. Do either live videos or create some short clips for retweeting to get attention, because you're doing 2 things. You're helping out the speaker, but also too the venue itself. Make sure you include the venue and the hashtags in your communication, because you could get a retweet and posted at the top of the venue, which is free marketing and free exposure. And I point that out on one of the tweets I got as well. Number 6, say hello to everybody at your table. If you're at a table event, that's a more intimate setting where you've got 6, 7, or 8 different people at your table. Make sure you touch everybody with a hello, exchange of business cards, and again, even a LinkedIn connection. And then lastly, all those that you connect with, make sure you do a follow-up after the event, whether it's a message of thank you on LinkedIn, or an email, or a phone call, and hopefully you can arrange a meeting to make that connection go a step further. There's always collaboration opportunities, there's always business opportunities. So those are my tips for networking at a major event. Hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks again for tuning in. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks again. Have a great day.